Divine souls, namaste. Please welcome to spiritual health and meditation. Continuing with the series of exercises for reducing body weight. This is part 2 of it. So part 1 is already published. So we have a series of exercises which I have mentioned. This again I'll be mentioning at the end of the session. We shall continue with the exercise 27. Here we shall be performing only 3 jump burpees. You have to perform 10 jump burpees, please. Ready, both of you? Lift the hands up. Down to Padahasta. Jump back, controlled. Again, jump forward, controlled. Up on an inhalation. Down on an exhalation. Jump back, controlled. Jump forward, controlled. Up on an inhalation. Down on an exhalation. Go back, jump forward. Up on an inhalation. Down on an exhalation. Jump back, jump forward. Up. Now exercise relax. 28. Okay, jump burpees, please. Shall we perform jump burpees? Okay. Both the hands up and jump. Down on an exhalation, jump back, controlled. Jump forward, jump up again, and down again. Jump back, jump forward, up, jump, up, down, exhale, jump back, jump forward, jump up, hands down. Exercise 29, spinal twists. Sit comfortably, both the legs straight. Now we'll do spinal twists. So lift the right leg up with the help of the left hand. Hold and turn back, and the right hand straight behind. Look at the right fingers. So exhale and keep your leg down. Straight, both the legs straight. Now lift the left hand up, rather the left leg up. Hold it with the right hand and turn round. Again down, please. Okay, once again we shall do, lift the right leg up, hold it with the help of the left hand, straighten the knees, look back, turn around, look back. Down, please. Very good. Now the left leg up, hold it with the help of the right hand and turn back. Look at the left hand fingers. Down, please, on an exhalation. Now exercise 30, dynamic Paschimottanasana. I'm starting. Sit comfortably with the legs straight, both the legs straight. Now exhale and touch the toes. Inhale and lie down. Lift your hands up on the floor. Again exhale, touch the toes. Inhale, up. Very good. Exhale, touch the toes. This is dynamic Paschimottanasana. Up again on inhalation. Lie down straight, hands up. Again exhale, touch the toes. Inhale and both the hands up. Keep them on the floor. Lie down. Again up on an exhalation, touch the toes. Inhale and go back. Lie down. Sit up again on an inhalation this time and relax. Now we shall perform exercise 31, dynamic Halasana. We'll do dynamic Halasana. So turn towards your right side and stretch your legs, please. Both the legs stretched. Come forward a little bit. Okay, now inhale and both the hands up. Exhale, touch the toes. Now inhale and go back to Halasana. Both the legs. Yes, very good. Come back again to dynamic Paschimottanasana. Again Halasana. Inhale into Halasana. Exhale into Paschimottanasana. Inhale into Halasana. Exhale into Paschimottanasana. Very good. Once more. Inhale into Halasana. Exhale into Paschimottanasana. Very good. That is enough. So, inhale and hands up and hands down. Very good. Thank you very much.
Exercise 32, belly fat reduction.
You can increase the number of sets depending on your. We'll start the exercise regime. The first set. So relax on the elbows and body should be as straight as possible. Now single leg lifts. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Right up, right down. Right leg up, right leg down. Right leg up, leg down. Now the left leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Left up, left down. Left up, left down. Left up, left down. Now both the legs alternate. Okay, alternate lifts. Okay, right up, left up. Here you cannot focus on the breathing. You only lift the legs. So I am doing it for 5 times. Okay, now both the legs up. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. 90 degrees, 0 degrees. 90 and 0. 90 and 0. Okay, this finishes one set. These are the leg lifts. Now you can relax the abdominal muscles, the thighs and the calf muscles. So this is one set of exercise. So we'll be doing different variations in this to reduce the belly fat. So you can take a rest, relax for some time, or you can do it continuously. You can increase the number of counts also based on your capacity and capability. Now, but here I am showing you only 5 lifts or 5 times. I perform only 5 times. You can perform any number of times and you can also increase the sets. Now the next one. Again relax. Now this time we'll do pistons. Okay, now right, only the right leg. Piston, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Okay, here also you can focus on the breathing if you want, or otherwise you can just do exercise. So same thing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, or there is a left leg lifts. So I am doing it for 5 times. Okay, now we'll do the alternate leg lifts. Alternate piston. This is piston. Alternate piston. Okay, then bring down the leg. Now together piston. Together both the legs piston. Try to keep the knees as close as possible. I am doing it for 5 times. Okay, you can increase the number of counts as well as the number of sets. Now again you can relax by relaxing the thighs, the calf muscles and the abdominal muscles. So this is the piston movement. Now we will go in for the third set. The next set. Okay, again relax. Now we will go in for cycling. Only the right leg, cycling in the clockwise direction. Again, as I told you, I am going to do only for 5 repetitions. So you can do it more also. Okay, now the left leg clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Now both the legs alternate. Anti-clockwise. And down. Now we'll do both the legs together cycling. Anti-clockwise. So, okay. Again, relax your abdomen, relax your calf muscles and your thighs. So this finishes another set. Okay. Next we'll do another type of leg lifts. For this, what we have to do is relax and raise both the things 15 degrees up 90 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees, 90 degrees, 15 degrees and relax. The same thing in alternate. You can do it. Alternate. And relax. And here is another set of exercises for strengthening the core, for strengthening your abdominal muscles, for reducing the belly fat. Now we'll do the leg circles, single leg and then double leg. So again relax. So single leg in. Same leg in the opposite direction. On the left leg. Opposite direction. Now both the legs we have performed. Both the legs together clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. Okay, relax. You can feel the exercises are really working on your belly, the core and the thighs. Relax for some time. Now again, rest on your elbows. Now single leg lifts with a difference, with a variation. Now lift your right leg up 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 60 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 degrees. Now same thing with the left leg, up 30 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. Now both the legs together, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to 61, 2, 3, 4, 5, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. So this is one set. So this entire thing you can again repeat it if you want 3 times to 5 times. So how much ever you feel like. So this is the exercise, or rather these are the exercises which you all can perform to reduce the belly fat, to enhance the muscles, to strengthen the muscles of the core. This finishes one set of the entire thing. So similarly you can do 2 sets or 3 sets. So thank you for performing this exercise along with me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you.
Now we shall go over to exercise 33. So Surya Namaskaras with Utkatasana. Stand in Stavasana or Sthiti, Pranamasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Padahastasana, control jump back into plank, Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, heels down in Parvatasana, jump forward into Malasana, Utkatasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Pranamasana, Sthiti or Stavasana, Pranamasana once again, Hasta Uttanasana, Utkatasana, Padahastasana in Utkata, control jump back. You can go to Malasana if you want and jump into plank. Then Ashtanga Namaskara, knees, chest and chin touching the mat. Bhujangasana on an inhalation. Parvatasana, touch the heels to the mat. Control jump forward into Malasana. Utkatasana. Padahasta in Utkata. Hasta Uttanasana and Pranamasana. Slowly. So here I have performed only 1 round. So you can slowly increase your performance. A minimum of 3 rounds has to be performed. Now we shall go over to exercise 34. Now we shall go over to exercise 34. So exercise 34 we shall perform Surya Namaskaras in Parvatasana. So come to Stavasana Sthiti, Pranamasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Utkatasana. Sit down completely with both the hands on either sides. Jump to plank, controlled jump in fact. Ashtanga Namaskara, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, control jump forward into Malasana, Utkatasana, Padahastasana, Hasta Uttanasana, Pranamasana, Sthiti or Stavasana, back to Pranamasana slowly. Inhale and exhale there. Inhale into Hasta Uttan. Utkatasana. Sit down in Malasana, both the hands on either sides. Control jump back to plank. Ashtanga Namaskara. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Heel on the mat, please. Control jump forward to Malasana. Utkatasana. Try to keep the back straight in Utkatasana. Padahastasana. Hasta Uttanasana. And come to Pranamasana. Here also, in this also I have performed only once. You have to perform a minimum of 3 times. You can increase it to 5 or 7 times. We'll go over to exercise 35. These are normal Surya Namaskaras. So here I have performed only 1 round. You have to please perform a minimum of 5 rounds. So totally Surya Namaskara should be at least 21 rounds or 27 rounds for effective weight reduction. So you want your body to reduce weight, you have to do these Surya Namaskaras a minimum of 21 times continuously. Here this is a normal Surya Namaskara. I need not explain to you how the Surya Namaskara progresses, but my request to you is you have to increase the Surya Namaskara performance. Slowly you increase it from 3 rounds. Within a week, increase it to 7 rounds. Within the next week, that is the second week, come up to 11 rounds. So increase to 15 rounds by say 3 weeks, and end of the 4th week, 21 rounds at least should be continuously performed. You can further increase it to 27 rounds, and this 27 rounds you can maintain it for any number of period. My request to you or suggestion to you is these weight loss exercises or weight reduction exercises, you continue for a minimum of a month and check your weights. Surely you will have some benefit, and continue for 3 months. You will see drastic reduction in weight. Now these Surya Namaskaras, you see I have performed it slowly. It doesn't mean that you have to perform slowly, so that you can come to each of the asanas perfectly, or rather perform the asanas perfectly. For that reason I have performed it slowly. You have to perform it after a certain period at a very higher pace. That means you have to perform 21 Surya Namaskaras in less than 10 minutes if possible, or 27 rounds of Surya Namaskaras in around 10 minutes time. So I have taken time to perform these Surya Namaskaras. You have to increase the performance, okay, by the speed of the performance. I'll put it that way. The speed of the performance should be increased. So Surya Namaskaras are very good exercises for the all-round body. So here if you are not focusing on the reduction of weight of the body, it is not an issue, but the entire body gets toned up because of Surya Namaskara. The entire body gets toned up by performing Surya Namaskara. These Surya Namaskaras you can perform with the mantras, with prayers, or the name of the asanas. You can perform Surya Namaskaras with breathing if you want to perform it slowly. So slow Surya Namaskaras can be performed with breathing. You can hold in each of the positions for about 5 or 10 counts and perform these Surya Namaskaras. I assure you that your body weight will reduce systematically. So don't go in for any diet restrictions in the beginning, and my request to you is to eat whatever you feel like. But after the Surya Namaskaras and after these weight reduction exercises, my suggestion to you is wait for at least an hour or so. You can drink milk if you're feeling very hungry, half a glass milk with half a glass water. That is, dilute the milk and drink it, and slowly you can eat some dry fruits if you feel hungry with milk, and slowly, for at least half an hour to 1 hour, you have to, fast, or after your weight loss exercises, you should not eat immediately. That will increase your weight. What you have to do is wait for half an hour to 1 hour, and then slowly you can eat. That is, whatever you feel like you can eat. So if you feel that your body is in your control, the hunger is in your control, you can extend the fasting thing to about 1.5 to 2 hours. 1.5 to 2 hours. After 2 hours, you can have food, whatever you want. Now we shall go over to exercise 36, that is Shavasana. Lay down with both the hands on either sides of the body about half feet away from the torso, and both the legs about a feet and a half away from each other.
Feet apart and hands apart. Both the hands about 1 feet away from the torso. Both the legs about 1.5 feet apart from each other. Palms facing the ceiling.
Relax the entire body. Allow the weight of the entire body to be on the mat. Just lie down on the mat, face upwards, palms upwards. The entire body weight should be on the mat. Relax the entire body. You have to relax from your feet or toes up to the head. We'll perform a very quick relaxation technique here. Relax the toes, the heels, the ankles, the shin, the calf muscles, the knees, the thighs, the hips, the abdomen. Relax the lower back. Relax the stomach, the middle back. Relax the chest, the upper back. Relax the neck, the shoulders, both the arms. Relax the face, the facial muscles. Relax the ears, the head, everything. Completely relax yourself. Just relax.
Now bring both the legs together, closer to each other, both the hands closer to the torso. On an inhalation, lift the right hand up above the head and keep it on the floor or the mat. Fold the left leg at the knee. Keep the feet alongside the right knee. Fold the left hand at the elbow. Keep the palm on the chest. Turn towards the right side. Take the support of the left hand by keeping the palm in front of the chest on the mat. Now, taking the support of both the hands, raise your torso and sit in any comfortable asana, Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, Ardha Padmasana or Siddhasana. So this completes Shavasana. Thank you.